Today we're doing an episode. Today we're doing a fairy garden.
That's right. We are doing a fairy garden.
And we're going to do a fairy Oreo.
A fairy Oreo?
A fairy Oreo.
Okay. So, yeah, we're making a fairy garden today.
But a fairy Oreo.
And Jade has fairies that are going to visit her garden, and she gets to make a wish every night with her fairies, and maybe they'll grant her wish, right?
I want to wish for a Peppa Pig toy.
You want to wish for a Peppa Pig toy? Okay, she wants to wish for a Peppa Pig toy. All right, so Jade wants to paint her pot. What color you want to paint this?
I want to paint this
pink. And Mommy is going to paint her pot. What color?
purple.
Purple. Is that pretty?
Can I paint now?
Yes, you may.
Yes, get paint.
Ooh, beautiful.
Why is this actually pretty, Mom?
It's coming off pretty good, huh? It's really pretty.
And this color is not making pink.
Oh my goodness, that's beautiful, Jade. That is pink. That's a beautiful pink.
Well, let's keep trying purple.
Paint it good, okay? I think you're doing a good job. I want the whole thing to be pink. You see how Mommy's spreading hers out? You gotta spread all of that paint out on there.
Okay.
You need a little help?
No, I don't.
Well, here, let's put it on this hand. So, wait. Let's put it on this hand. Put it on this hand. There you go. There you go.
No.
Jay, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't snatch it away.
No, I want to hold it.
Hey, look at me. Sometimes you need a little help. Okay?
Sometimes I don't need a little help.
Sometimes you do need a little help.
No. I don't.
Hey, we're not behaving like that.
Do you like it? You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Mommy,
What?
can you help me?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I want to show you how to do this part. That's all I'm trying to do. Turn it around. There we go. Then we sit it down like this, and you can finish painting at the bottom.
Can I have a little bit more paint? I just need just a little bit more.
Need a little bit more.
So I can put it on.
Jade is gonna paint this little baby pie, right? And you're gonna paint it what color? Yellow. Jade is sleeping. And we finished painting our pots. She did this pink one. And I'm actually gonna, I'm gonna leave it like this because it's her work and, you know, it's what she did. So, you know, just to keep it in its original form, you know, it's her work. She also started on this one, and I kind of like finished it up for her. And I did this one. She also painted this one. She painted this one purple, but I went back and put some little polka dots all over it to give it a little flair. But while she's sleeping, I am gonna fill these little mini glass containers, and I'm gonna fill it with some white sand. And the purpose of this for the fairy garden is for when she make her wishes. I want her to grab one of these glasses, and I'm gonna tell her it's magic dust. So she'll get one of these little containers, and it opens up. So I'll say she probably has like 2 wishes in each container. So she'll pour some out into her hand, and she'll blow it, and she'll blow it near her fairy garden, and hopefully whatever she wishes for comes true. So I'm gonna fill these up for her so they'll be ready for when she wakes up. And I'm sure I'll have some cool story about the fairy brought these to make a wish, and you know, all of that. So I'll be back. I'm gonna fill these up, and hopefully this turns out cute. Alrighty, bye.
This is a ladybug.
Alright guys, so we're back.
So we're back. Say hi to Kiddo.
We are gonna fill our pots.
With bubbly.
No, with dirt first.
No,
Okay,
with
hand me those.
bubble.
Hand me those first. Thank you. So first thing I want to do is get this. I'm gonna open up the potting mix, the dirt.
Ew.
It stinks, huh? All right. So what I want you to do. You're gonna take this. You're gonna get some dirt, and you're gonna scoop it in there, okay? You gotta make sure you get it inside the bowl. Okay. Did you press it down good? All right.
Looks like a pie.
It looks like a pie? Well, you better not eat it.
Okay, but I'm not gonna eat the pie.
Okay, so now we're gonna put our first fairy house in here, okay? This is where the fairies are gonna visit. Yep, they're gonna come and visit right here. Now we gotta fill this one. was left to you by a fairy. This is magical. Okay, so it's for you. So what you do with that is, whenever you want to make a wish, you open the top, you pour a little bit in your hand. I'll hold your top for you. I'll hold your top. You pour a little bit in your hand. You got some? Let me see the magic. Okay, so now you make a wish and you blow it.